channel. It's your girl AyyeDenay here. So this is my February planner update. It won't be as long as the first one because you guys already know that I'm using the Passion Planner. And I also have a plethora of stickers that I'll be using this month. I did write down some events on my Post-it note just so that I know what to exactly put in my calendar. I'm a little late, but being late with my planner is like throwing off my whole week. So I'm happy to get this video done for you guys to see how I set up my planner for February. I've also incorporated some more things into my planner, which is my desk calendar, as well as my list booklet, which is just a book of lists, so you know everything that you have to do when you just check stuff off the list. I know there are to-do things inside of the planner. However, it's not enough. I be having a lot to do. So thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned to see how I updated my planner for February. In the comment section, drop how you've been doing with managing your planners, having multiple planners, etc. So, one addition with my planner this month, aside from managing both planners, I do actually want to start time blocking and setting schedules for myself throughout the day so I know exactly what I need to get done and when, because I feel like that's a major hindrance on me being real last minute. So in my planner, you see that I have started attempting to like block time based on like work, when I go to lunch, the activity that I need to complete at lunch, and then stuff I need to do after work. And my days are pretty full. So this is an example. Let me find a good page. So this page isn't completely full. However, it is like one side where you can see that I attempted to do my blocking of my time and just mapping out all the stuff I have time for, the stuff I don't have time for. It's kind of hard for me to like schedule in impromptu things because most of my time is spoken for, especially when 8 hours, well, 9, 10 hours is taken up for work. So I'm trying to get better with being productive while I'm at work, on lunch, on breaks, doing small things that I can do that won't hinder my day. So that's one thing. And then another part of my planner that I haven't really utilized that I would like to start utilizing is the reflection questions. So I need to go back in for, what month was it? January. The monthly reflections basically say, what was the most memorable part of this past month? Describe it. What are the 3 biggest lessons that you've learned? Oh, I need to write this right now. Review your planner and assess your priorities. And then it's basically like, what and who are you grateful for in this past month? So I feel like these are all things that I need to go in and write because January for me, baby, was a month. It was a month. So, and then it has the end of the month checklist that says highlight your accomplishments, reform, and choose this month's game changer from your roadmap, and then set checkpoints so that you're following through with all your goals. I love this idea. Now I just need to stop being lazy and actually like execute it. I've been trying to read a book a month. That has not happened, so I'm definitely gonna pencil in reading time on my block scheduling so that I can actually finish a book a month because I do want to read at least 12 this month. So yeah. want to talk about are some of the struggles that I have been facing in using my planners. So since I am managing multiple notebooks, planners, etc., I would say the influencer planner, it's been kind of hard to manage that because my passion planner is all the rest of my life, and my influencer, I'm not an influencer, my influencer planner is just that, like YouTube, podcasts, etc., etc. So it's kind of hard having them in separate places, but I've been kind of slacking, so yeah, that's why it's hard. But I need to up my game on that so I can, you know, grow and things like that. And I do actually enjoy making these videos. One item that I am incorporating into my planning in this coming months will be the Hello World planner. Now, I think this was in my first video, but it's basically all about your travels, etc. Something new I tried. So since I am starting to plan trips, I'm going to start outlining my trips in here. Well, not outlining, just using it as a placeholder. Starting with the very first trip that I'm supposed to go on. And I'm going to fill this out. And it is a festival, y'all. We're about to start festival season again. Hopefully, I can get to multiple festivals this year. But you know, adulting, festivals take money. I got to earn that. So, I'm not making money sitting here. So I gotta, you know, get my side hustles popping. With that being said, if you need a ghostwriter, hit me up, sis. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go through my regular planner setup and use my Mamby sticks as well as the Agenda 52. All of these you can get from like Michael's. I got all of these when they were on sale because sis, I'm not paying $10 per sticker pack. So when they have those 50% off, or if you go to Michael's, they always, so little tip, and saver tip. When you go to Michael's, they always have coupons online on their website. So make sure when you're in the store or before you go in the store, you're checking out what kind of coupons they have. And don't be afraid to separate those purchases, sis. I'm just saying. I hope you all have thoroughly enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you got going on in the month of February, or how you are upping your planner game, etc. So yeah, it's your girl AyyeDenay, and I will see you guys in my next video. AyyeDenay, 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 AyyeDenay. AyyeDenay, 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 AyyeDenay.